a pressure of 1.2 Pascal to 750 liter of liquid caused a volume reduction by 1.5 liters. Calculate bulk modulus of elasticity of liquid. Given pressure is denoted by d small p. Pressure 1.2 Pascal is equal to 1.2 Newton per meter square. Pascal is converted to Newton per meter square. Volume 650 liter, or change in pressure 1.5 liter. Change in pressure upon original pressure, 1.5 divided by 650 is equal to 2.308 into 10 raised to minus 3. Bulk modulus is equal to is denoted by K is equal to change in pressure upon change in volume upon original volume. Change in pressure 1.2 pressure 1.2 upon volume of dV by dV 2.308 into 10 raised to minus 3. Complete. Calculate 520 Newton per meter square. Bulk modulus is K is 520 Newton per meter square.